hits, no floppy. Got hits so Rodney. Harvey real hater with a pimp so godly. Most merciful, walk a mile in Herschel shoes. Never drop the ball, through it all, that's breaking news. Got a couple lumps, just a bump, I can take a bruise. I'm wavy right now, the booth like a Jamaican cruise. And I'm through. Blood Diamond, Sonny Black, yeah, Malcolm Little's Revenge. How could I live in a world so cold? Send me to the sky, they can bury my soul. I just wanna get what I came here for. Could it be? Should I leave? To perpetrate cause they do what they can. See the devil's face through the blood on my hands. I'm doing what it takes, but I'm just one man. Could it be? Should I leave?
You're tuning in to Record Breakers here on WSUT with Ed as intended.
So high, I got everything in front of me. Turn up loud. I ain't been home in a long time now. I came a long way from LaCoya, singing on the corner. Never told this story to no one, Hey. Song screaming free Lil Tay. Now you been my little bruh since 6th grade. On robbery, 7 years to the dope. When they release, best believe we be at the dope. Who with us getting tagged? Listen, you made me laugh. I fought white boy in my front yard, I kicked his ass. Remember that? And we going to Coney Island, talk shit. What they mean, they know we bought it. On the block, gunshots was my lullaby. Mom and pops, me and my sister watching fight. I miss my brother, he was shot down by a cop. Miss Renee, you was just like another mom. I still keep contact with Nick, 'cause we done came a long way from playing those video games. My things have changed. I'ma tell you a little something about me. It was tough growing up in my hood. Highs to the king, we grounded. Reminiscing about my childhood. And let me tell you a little something about me that you might not understand. The streets made me into a man. My childhood, From my childhood, there's not many that I mess with. 2 gifted for your presence, 3 sums as an adolescent. Me, Nina, and her cousin, yeah, bookin' Ben hunting, bookin' Ben hustling. See, Cash was the first one to put me behind the mic. Then ran into some OGs that really changed my life. They taught me how to get me, but they always told me right. Now I done seen some dark things that Bane gave me light, nigga. I grew up on ramen noodles and boxing gloves. I sold weed, candy bars, and bubble gum. My homies, we ran the streets and jumping clubs. It took years, 2 kids to make it stop. I think that's when I told myself that I would make my children's life way better than mine. I'ma tell you a little something about me. It was tough growing up in my hood. Highs to the king, we grounded. Reminiscing about my childhood. I'ma tell you a little something about me that you might not understand. The streets made me into a man. My childhood, Free Lil Tay. Rest in peace to my big brother, Lil Neo, Dewan, Miss Renee. Hey, won't take any eye, my boy. On the trip. A lot of things change. Love you, boy.
The things that keep you on my mind, I'm staying on the grind, not trying to waste time. All the things that, for you I'ma ride and provide. For you I make the limit in the sky. All the things that, in my heart I got a place for you. I be feeling for your touch, got a taste for you. Know you probably heard it all, but I'ma wait for you. Cause I can see a good thing, I'ma pace for you. And to your face, I'ma tell you should brace for it. It don't matter what the price I can pay for it. Work a day and night to make a way for it. On the getaway, relaxing, reminded of why I'm so attracted. I know you kept it real when everybody acted. That's why I hold you down, love how they react to seeing us, doing us. Don't know what to do with us. Thought it wouldn't last, but it's still feeling new to us. The way you smile when you see me, you believe in me. So I'ma keep it G, ain't worried about you leaving me. And you ain't gotta worry. What you mean to me is everything. I'm visioning picking fences and wedding rings. The things that keep you on my mind, I'm staying on the grind, not trying to waste time. All the things that, all the things that. For you I'ma ride and provide. For you I make the limit in the sky. All the things that, Hey yo, it's paradise, how we connect, living the married life every night, close to my ribs, loving your body type. I know you love it, looking at him, watching us in public, Facebook, looking and conversating on how he does it. I only entertain when I'm loving, it's no secret. There's not a height I'm not reaching.
With you by my side, let them peep it. Cruise the world until my diamond girl no longer seasick. Shall I repeat this? A fresh up breath air, that's what you are to me. I used to think the way I was living, you want no parts of me, but God's good, showing me the better things of life. Giving me you the love, a vision that's only right, peace twice. It's lovely when the feeling's the same. That respect you put to my name when saying domain, it means the world to me. So understand, I'm forever your man, never weak-hearted. Nobody can separate when we started.
The things that keep you on my mind, I'm staying on the grind, not trying to waste time.
All the things that, yeah, all the things that.
For you, I'ma ride and provide. For you, I make the limit in the sky.
In the sky. All the things that, all the things that. It's all the things that keep you on my mind. Yeah. It's all the things that keep you on my mind. Yeah. All the things, baby. Yeah,
The things that keep you on my mind, I'm staying on the grind, not trying to waste time.
All the things that, yeah, all the things that.
For you, I'ma ride and provide. For you, I make the limit in the sky.
In the sky. All the things that, all the things that keep you. Yeah.
You're tuning in to Record Breakers here on WSUT with Ed as intended.
Yes, and it's 2:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time as I sit in the studio in Atlanta, Georgia, East Point to be exact. So my show is coming to an end.